Hello YouTube. Now this test should show you how well each one of these nozzles will pick up big amount of flour, and I have scrubbed that into the carpet, and it's quite big amount, and sorry if you can see some flies in the video because it's very hot and I have to keep the windows open, so that's why you might see some flies. But anyway, this should show how much these will affect the cleaning performance. So basically it's very much due to the nozzle how good the canister cleans. So we have that straight suction nozzle from the Electrolux, and this is in many Electrolux vacuums, the same nozzle. Not the cheapest one, but most of the Ultra series. And there's that my Electrolux UltraFlex, and this spins now freely after I lubricated and cleaned it. But this, I already have to say that this is not so good as the newest Electrolux UltraFlex. And then we have that trusty Miele Electrocomfort 217 over here, and this is actually excellent on the low pile carpet, and vacuum is this UltraFlex, so a lot of flour. And now this looks stupid, but I really had to make sure that this carpet doesn't move when I am using that straight suction nozzle, because that sticks like crazy to this carpet. So that's why I have those things that hold the carpet in place. So next you will see the test, and we start with this straight suction nozzle. Okay, suction is set to max, and now just let's see how this goes. No, that doesn't look too bad at all. But there is still quite a lot of flour. But it was very hard work, as you might seen from the video when I vacuumed this, so it really sticks to this carpet. So that's one problem. So now let's move to the UltraFlex side and see how it does. Okay, it did slightly better compared to the straight suction nozzle, and but that's not the biggest benefit of turbo brush. It was very easy to move because the brush did the work. This is designed to be very sealed to the carpet, so you have to really have good muscles to move this, if you, especially on this low pile carpet. So there's turbo brush. Now to the power head and how to attach this. Use this adapter and take this cord. Okay. Now we have done all of these tests. You might not see first big difference, but straight suction is the worst. Then there is the turbo brush. It did slightly better, more even result and easy to push. And power head is quite clearly the best. Now I am not going to use that straight suction nozzle to clean rest of that, because it's just very hard work and this carpet really don't want to stay in place. So I will clean this side with the turbo brush and another side with the power head. So let's clean this side. it got it pretty clean, but it didn't groom the carpet. Oh no, focus is lost. No, what I was meant to say that it didn't groom the carpet well as the newer Electrolux UltraFlex. But no, come on, it did much better than this straight section nozzle. I don't just mean cleaning result. It really wasn't so big difference, but how it was more usable on this carpet. It was huge benefit of that UltraFlex. So now overhead, and this is so good demonstration also how good these power heads really are, because motor in those power heads do all the work, and brush is much more aggressive than in any turbo process, and this is Miele's smallest power head. So just you have to keep that in mind. Okay. So here we go. These are most typical nozzles what canisters use, or there's not much more choice. Straight suction nozzle. Now if I would had bed height on this would have made much worse than what it now did. But actually I was quite surprised at how well this did. But that's not the point. Point is that this is so hard to push and move, and that just makes this so hard to use, and I honestly hate to use these straight suction nozzles. And this UltraFlex is so much better than this straight suction nozzle, because it's so easy to move and it makes slightly better job. But if this would have been better, this would have done much better. But I don't now have, because my cat doesn't share so much. And there is some flour. falling off from that. Despite this having soft bristles, you could see in some shots, I hope you could see, but this did make that flour to bounce on this carpet. So it really works better than the Turbo Plus. And the reason is it has own motor and suction channel is much bigger than in the Turbo Plus. But yes, you saw the results, and I hope that will help you decide what vacuum you will or vacuum head you will choose. Thank you for watching.